Hi, so for today we're going to unbox two items. First that we're going to unbox is our new helmet. So this is the new Spider Armada. I'm not sure exactly what's new in terms of new sa helmet world, but I was looking for a nice helmet. Actually budget lang sana, around 3,000 to 4,000 lang. Kasi di naman tayo maselan sa helmet, right? And we came upon this sakto. I'm a fan of the Ghost Fighter series, especially nung kabataan pa, no? Shoutout sa mga batang 90s, batang 80s dyan. Every time na uwi ng bahay, Spider or no, the Ghost Fighter yung laging pinapanood. I think this was on GMA 7, right? So we got the Armada, si EA or si Vincent sa Tagalog na nation. So let's go unbox. Tingnan natin. So I got like the a new balaklava with the helmet. I think I this is just around 4,000 pesos na nabili ko sa SM naman. Like 4,000 pesos for the helmet. If I'm going to include yung balaklava, this is practically free kasi parang may 10% off. Okay, so let's go unbox. So this is the helmet itself. Meron eto yung sa mga ano nito, sa yung something niya or the concept at the side, and merong yung extra na visor, no, but we're not going to look at that any longer. Let's focus on the helmet itself. So from the cover, andyan na yung collaboration niya with the Ghost Fighter series, and as well, it's a collaboration between Ghost Fighter and then Spider. So yeah, I'm so excited because this would be my second helmet. Prior, Spider din yung helmet ko. I'm not sure with, alala ko yung model kanina, pero I completely forgot na. Okay. Ooh. This is the ano to? XL or large, I think. There we go. This is the helmet itself. Yung white so nice with the blue visor. So, nitry ko to because before, yung sa unang helmet ko, I have to buy like a new one pa kasi parang transparent lang yung available na visor. Visor ang tawag namin short. But yeah, transparent pa yung available. But this time, it's like tinted. And then, nung na-try ko siya sa Mega Mall, na-try ko siyang suotin. Makikita mo pa din even though nighttime siya. And there you go, I just see A or C Vincent. Part siya ng siya ng design. It's matte black with a touch of blue, I think, anime as well. So here, yung parang full body, half body Vincent, and then dito yung face na mga nasa side. Yan. I like this. I like this. And yeah, this is a Spider Armada. They have like a different versions then. I think may um meron dun na Rogue and then Fury as well, part of their collaboration with Ghost Fighter 2. And yun, kasi may bago tayong helmet. Ang isa pang bago sa atin ay, though I'm not sure kung paano ko siya ikakabit mamaya, but I got like a new intercom because for 1 year now that I've been riding in Manila, nainggit ako lagi ng mga intercom yung mga nakakasabay ko. Although I have my Insta360 na with motovlogging. Ang inisip ko din kasi I want to talk while driving. ang mahal ng microphone ng Insta360 and maganda naman din yung mic ni Insta360 if you're just going to like regular vlogging yan. But sa motovlogging kasi, if you're going to talk from the camera, hindi ka maririnig when you are when you are wearing a helmet, no? So, I decided to buy an intercom kasi magsaserve na rin siya. Aside from the music and aside from the notifications that I would be receiving through the intercom, especially sa mga rides namin ng OPR, will also have my music sharing na dito. And then maganda din, I think yun sa mga napanood ko vlog, sa maganda din yung microphone niya. So yeah, together let's unbox and wala yata ako scissors here. So I'm just going to rip it out of the package. So, this usually costs around 3,500 pero nakuha ko na siya 3,500 pero nakuha ko na siya mga 2,500 na lang. I may be lying dun sa 3,500 no? Kaya ko naman ng ano. Their Hero. It's the Hero Pro. Teka lang, makita ko lang yung buong package. So yeah, here's the item. It's the Hero Pro, Fleetcon Hero Pro. So meron na siyang 8-rider intercom. So if you're going out with your friends and fellow rider o sila, no, you can, if you're going out with your friends and fellow rider mo sila, you can connect up to 8 devices. IP67 waterproof, so no worries kapag umulan, pero of course hindi siya talaga yung waterproof, water resistant siya, IP67 water resistant, so huwag nyo ilubog sa tubig. Yung mga ulan na siguro droplets lang, carry pa yun, pero siguro kapag malakas yung bumabagyo talaga, I would not recommend you to drive. If talaga magdadrive ka, I would not recommend you to use yung intercom kasi baka masira. Again, it's not waterproof, water resistant siya. Then we have a universal pairing, so pwede daw siya on other intercoms aside from Fleetcon. And then we have music sharing while talking. So again, kung sa OBR mo, if you want to share music, kami kasi mahilig kami when we're riding, mahilig kami makinig sa SB19 songs, Foreign 18 kasi. So this would, I think my OBR would enjoy this as well. Bibilan ko din siya. And then we have noise cancellation in 250 to 1,000 meter range, just in case you're going to drive with your peers. Yun. Battery, I'll just, ang sinasabi dito, pag intercom time, kasi nasa 1,200 mAh siya, intercom time is 25 hours, and then music time is 52 hours. So let's open the box. There go. Yan. So, on the box, we have yung sticker for Fleetcon. Meron tayong dalawa. So, I'm not sure kung saan ko siya ilalagay. Hindi kasi ako mahilig na maglagay ng mga ganito sa motor ko. Pero siguro sa top box pwede. Ayaw ko siya ilagay sa unahan. Bili ako ng ganito sa unahan. And then you have the intercom itself. Teka lang. Let's try to have the settings. Ayan. So it's the intercom itself. And then, ano pa yung included sa box? We have the manual or the operating guide. Meron pa tayo dito. We have palubat na dyan. We have its other na mga items na kailangan when you will be installing. So ito yung microphone. So I'm going to install it here on my laptop that I'm going to study pa kung paano ko siya i-install. Pero yun na muna for now. I got the intercom already here. I'm so excited to use this. And please watch out for my vlogs in the upcoming days na gamit ko na to for for my speaking vlogs. So yeah, so thank you again for listening to this vlog for um na sumama sa akin sa unboxing. Unfortunately, low bat na yung camera ko. I'm using like the D200 and just trying it out. So medyo parang I think I'm enduring, no? Pero yun. So I hope to impart all the things that I want to impart soon using my setup right here, my motovlogging setup. So I am not really like verbose in the field of motorcycles, but in this vlog, you're going to hear me talking about, yeah, number one, motorcycles, and then corporate leadership because I'm a leader in a BPO, in the BPO industry. So medyo how would you navigate the corporate um, industry or the BPO industry if you are a young professional working to get your ass up to the ladders. No? So, watch out for those vlogs. Again, thank you so much for clicking on this for if nandito ka hanggang sa end ng video, I appreciate it. Thank you. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, support small content creators. Thank you. Bye.